Now, live from Central Louisiana, this is News Channel 5, your local station.
Good morning, Crest Industries. I'm Bill Elliott, and alongside me is Jennifer Smith. This past year, Distrand Steel has been steadily working towards its 2020 vision. And with countless meetings, CIP groups, and even a little outside help, you can say Distrand Steel is well on its way.
That's right, Bill. And most recently, they've assembled a team to participate in a 3-day TOC Strategic Summit in order to elevate their constraints, paving the way to their 2020 vision. Brooke Brackett has the story.
The core concept of TOC is that while every process has constraints, there is one strategic constraint that can only be improved when the constraint is elevated. In manufacturing, the main goal using TOC is to make a profit, both short-term and long-term, using a powerful set of tools.
The 3-day meeting based on the TOC was for us to come up with our undesirable effects, which is our core problems, find out exactly what's preventing us from reaching our constraint elevations that we've put in place. With that, we broke it down to find the exact cause of what's preventing us from getting there, which gives us a proactive approach to reaching the constraint elevations that's been put in place. We basically use the cause-effect method, just going down, keep asking why, the 5 whys, keep asking why until you cannot find another answer. That's what it is. That's what we need to fix.
And that meeting, it was a full 3 days too. It wasn't kind of like learning and kind of we did learn as we went, but it was a lot of pressure in that meeting because we had to actually think about what it actually is, the true problem.
Why won't this let us get to that level? And you kind of keep asking yourself, well, why? Well, why? Well, why? Well, once you dwindle down to all of the aspects of it that are preventing you from doing it, then you can conceive of ideas to make those improvements.
When we sat down for those 3 days, it actually brought to light all of the issues that each facility could possibly have. Everyone is working towards one common goal or their own independent goal at times, but in order to make Building 2 function at 170 hours, it takes X amount of work from Building 1 and Building 3. You broke it down as to what's going to hold you back. Is pretty much what happened. And in our case, it was one certain thing. And what we did was we went through everything to make sure that we were going to maximize that one certain thing, that constraint, what was going to hold us back. Because if the constraint doesn't hold you back, then nothing can.
Strategically, what it is, you sat there and he asked you, what is your constraints? Okay, you point out, such like I did, that my constraint would be the galvanizing. I have plenty of trucks, or we can get plenty of trucks to haul the stuff to the galvanizers, but I don't have enough capacity, or at least I feel like I don't have enough capacity at the galvanizers to get us to a 47% increase. So what I have to do is talk to these galvanizers, make sure they understand where we're headed, and to get them on board.
And after 3 intense days of going through the 5 steps, the team discovered more than what was anticipated.
We went in there and we gave it our all, and we all left with a plan that we created as a team. It's not just Jared's plan, it's Donnie or whoever's plan. It's not Kenny, it's our plan. We came up with it, we sat down, did our cause and effect on every single item that we had, and it was about 17 of them, and it took some time to do. 3 days work just about it. We kept going, we would have continued to come up with some more problems, but we come up with fixes to all of them.
And what was good about it was everybody threw in their 2 cents. We kind of butted heads on a few issues, but we overcome those obstacles and we work together. To me, I think that makes us much stronger of a team. Brings us all together to get to one common solution, one goal that we're all a part of.
When it all came down to it, it wasn't just I have a problem, it's we have a problem. And what can we do to execute the plan that we put together.
When you have those 11, 12 people in the room, you kind of see different perspectives from other people. It's kind of like you can't see the forest for the trees. If you're out there working in it every day, you don't see things that could prevent you from improving.
I feel like we all walked away with a better understanding of the whole process, and we everybody's on the same page. Even if you didn't know some problems that were in other shops other than your own, when you got done, you did. And you knew what they were going through, and they knew what you were going through. And we all strive to make it happen.
So we have to help each other, we have to work with each other, be there for each other, and we have to do whatever it takes to make this goal happen.
Well, Jennifer, sounds like they're doing some good things out there at Distrand Steel.
It really does, and they seem like that the teamwork is really coming together.
Well, for Jennifer Smith and the rest of the Distrand News team, I'm Bill Elliott. Have a safe and happy day.